Satellytics is a software company which operates in the area of geospatial analytics. We use a very unique set of data that's generated by the sun shining its light on the Earth's surface and bodies of water. What reflects back is a unique spectral signature only found in the infrared spectra, which the naked eye doesn't see. That spectral signature bounces to a sensor that's typically from a satellite, but it could equally be from a drone, a plane, a fixed camera, or a stratospheric balloon. In many instances, the artificial intelligence-driven software by Satellytics not only identifies the constituent, a surrogate or a corroborating factor, but also quantifies it in parts per million, parts per billion, even parts per trillion. These algorithms are run against a set of data and then the results presented to the Amazon cloud. What we're going to take a look at is one of those examples in the water quality. You log on to the Amazon cloud, there is a menu pull right that you can hide for maximum geography. It's a two-factor authentication and Satellytics never deletes any data. We could be looking at alerts and alarms or thresholds that the customer sets, or indeed we could be simply picking on an area that we are examining, looking at picking out the particular constituent and zooming into an area that may be of focus for our investigation or our remediation, or in this case, examining the data itself. We're looking at relative sediment, high and low, on a number of bodies of water in southern Brazil. Or alternatively, we could have been looking for a different constituent such as phosphorus. Now, phosphorus is measured in parts per billion by Satellytics. We have a feature called dual maps, and the default standard is that the maps are synchronized. In the left-hand window, we're looking at phosphorus. In the right-hand window, we could be looking at chlorophyll A, two elements of toxic algae blooms that are often measured and are managed quite carefully. On the left-hand side of the window, as you know, we don't ever delete any data. We're using 30 centimeter by 30 centimeter spatial resolution, which lets us examine very closely pixels within the body of the water or the land to measure this particular constituent. Now, because we've got them synchronized, the right-hand window will not only pick out the exact longitude and latitude that we've picked from the left-hand window, but it now gives us an examination of data across two different constituents. Any of the imagery, any of the analytics can be pushed out using a full suite of APIs or web services that we offer, or simply put, we could just download the data that we have selected and push it out into a tool like Excel. So here we've got the constituent, we've got its value measured in parts per billion, then we've got the longitude and latitude, which may allow us to do some reporting or our next step remediation, or even prepare work orders for crews to go out and start part of the remediation process. Very simple, very powerful. Thank you very much for watching our vignette. Please visit satellytics.com for any additional information.